Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, on a lady up here did one of those TikTok challenges. I think it's the TikTok challenges that we used to do in 2025 early on, where it's you put like a picture or a video of yourself and you said, I wish I met you earlier, and then you put an old video, I think, of yourself that looks completely different from you, and she did that challenge. And you know what, Nim, I have seen this old video of hers when she was still young. I remember that, and you can see she has had this passion of singing from a very young age. I remember she posted once that, some people in the industry buy awards, but the numbers don't lie. Artists like her don't do shortcuts when it comes to this industry. They work really, really, really hard. I'm telling you, she's one of the people who started from zero, and God blessed her, and she was recognized by one of the most famous and talented musicians, Chris Brown, and she blew up from there. From there, she was not holding back. She took that and she did something with her life, and she did what she wanted. And I just wanted to share this, that, and I know there's a TikTok challenge, but the way I see it as a testimony. For me, this is a testimony. Not everybody else can say singing was a hobby for them. For some people, it's passion. For some people, it's talent. She's one of the talented people that I know. She has money, but I know she would never buy an award. She works really hard, and she deserves all of this, guys. And shout out to her. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.